In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Microsoft Word read your document. This tutorial is designed for you to follow along easily and should take about 5 minutes of your time. By the end of it, you'll know how to utilize Microsoft Word's built-in Read Aloud feature, which can be an incredibly useful tool for reviewing your work, aiding in proofreading, or simply making content more accessible. Let's get started. First things first, we need to launch Microsoft Word on your computer. To do this, you'll want to begin at the very heart of your Windows interface, the Windows Start menu. Simply click on the Start button located, typically, at the bottom left corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to practically all applications and settings within your Windows operating system. Picture it as the central hub from where you can direct yourself to any corner of your digital world. Once you have the Start menu open, your next step is to find Microsoft Word. Do this by using the search functionality. Directly type Word into the search bar. As you type, Windows dynamically searches for relevant results, and within moments, Microsoft Word should appear as a top selection. The search bar is a quick way to navigate through a plethora of apps and files on your computer, making it an efficient tool for locating what you need. Upon seeing Microsoft Word in the search results, simply click on it to open. If you've used Word recently, it may even appear as a suggestion right when you open the Start menu, saving you a few clicks. Now, with Microsoft Word open, you're faced with a decision to start a new document or to open an existing one. If you're following along with a specific document in mind, feel free to open that file now. Alternatively, if you're just exploring this feature, clicking on Blank Document will create a new, clean canvas for you. Either option will lead you to the Word interface, where all the magic happens. Our next destination is the Review tab, located on the ribbon at the top of the Word window. If you're unfamiliar with the ribbon, it's the panel that hosts multiple tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and so forth. Each tab is an access point to a variety of functions and tools designed to assist in your document creation and editing efforts. Click on the Review tab to reveal a new set of tools and options. The ribbon might seem overwhelming at first glance, but focusing on one tab at a time makes it more approachable. In the Review tab, our aim is to locate the Read Aloud feature, a powerful but sometimes unnoticed tool within Word's extensive arsenal. The Read Aloud feature transforms text into speech, reading the contents of your document aloud. It's instrumental for identifying mistakes that might be missed during traditional proofreading, for auditory learners, or for those who simply prefer listening to content. After clicking on the Review tab, look around for the Read Aloud button. Once found, clicking on it will prompt Word to start reading the text of your document out loud from the cursor's current position onwards. It's a straightforward yet impactful function, providing a new perspective on your written works. Listening to your document being read can reveal rhythmic issues, awkward phrasing, or even simple grammatical errors that your eyes might have glossed over. Additionally, this feature can be invaluable for individuals with dyslexia or other reading difficulties, making text more accessible and engaging. Remember, you can pause, resume, or stop the reading at any given time, providing you full control over the pace at which you review your document. And there you have it. That's how you make Microsoft Word read your document aloud. This powerful feature not only aids in proofreading, but also makes your documents more accessible and can even help improve your writing over time by allowing you to hear how your words sound to others. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. Whether you're editing an important document for work, reviewing your novel, or just making content more accessible, knowing how to utilize Word's Read Aloud feature can significantly enhance your productivity and content quality. Happy writing, and remember, sometimes listening is just as important as reading.